What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be opening up this 2021 Yu-Gi-Oh! Tin. And this is something I'm super stoked for. I honestly don't know what to expect from this thing. I seen last year's and I kind of regret not picking it up. At the time, I was still trying to stay away from collecting cards again. But now that I've been sucked back into it, I figured, why not? Why not? I gotta pick this thing up. And just first impressions, this thing is beautiful on the outside. I ended up picking up 3 of these. One of them I paid scalper prices for because I did not realize how in stock this was going to be everywhere. And I was kind of anxious, so I was like, I'd rather just pay the little bit extra and secure one. And fortunately, there's actually quite an abundance at a local Target, and I was able to pick up 2 more for retail. And so today I'm just going to be opening up this one. We'll see what's actually in it. I haven't taken a look at the card list or I haven't seen any spoilers, so I don't really know what to expect besides what the details on the outside of the box say. So without further ado, let's pop into this thing. Up close you can see how they kind of made it look all like rustic and old. They gave it a really cool effect. Ooh, there we go. The 2021 Tin of Ancient Battles Mega Pack. And this comes with 3 of these. I believe there's 18 cards in each pack. Yeah, those are some fat booster packs right there. And that's it. It's just a collector's tin. So we'll go ahead and get right into this thing. We'll do 5 to the front. Ooh, okay. Got a Drill Driver Vespinato. I'm not gonna try to pronounce that right. Okay. The Great Bubble Reef. Execution of the Contract spell card. Rose Girl. Doyon. Awakening of the Possessed. Rainbow Zoo. It's a pretty cute card. Red Rain. I haven't seen these at signs in the cards. That's kind of weird, but whatever. Oh, okay. That's a nice holographic. The Warning Point trap card. That's some sick art. Okay, there's another holographic. Fiendish Portrait. Also another sick card. Ooh, okay. That is a badass card right there. We got Revel, Lord of Phantasms. That may be the ultra rare. What's guaranteed? Prismatic Secret Rare. I'm guessing that's what this is. Oh, but I don't know. Oh, that's nice too. Oh, okay. And sales pitch. And we got the Witchcraft Unraveling. I usually am not on it when it comes to these things when they come out because like I'll secure it. Like I got all this I actually picked this up when I was getting the Pokemon Celebrations boxes. And the thing is by the time I actually get to opening it and recording it, and editing it, it's already like too late. So I'm trying to be on top of it for this one. Okay. Red Familiar. Dang, is this Yu-Gi-Oh or Pokemon? I mean that in a good way. I mean, that's some cute cards right there. Another @ guy. Okay, we got our first holo. There's another holo, the Samurai Wagon. Ooh. Whoa. I haven't seen this in a minute. That is some beautiful art for this card. Hopefully the camera's focusing. Can't really see. But that is some beautiful art. I love that card. Ooh, okay. And Spiral Fusion to finish it off. Kind of getting the hang of last pack. I was kind of hoping there'd be more OG cards in here, but I don't mind. I don't mind the new stuff. It's still cool. Go 8 to the front this time. Okay, that should be right. It's such a wacky card. All right, he has a rock effect. Okay. AIQ. The Battle Survivor. Okay, now we're getting into holographics. All right, it's pretty sweet. Oh, that's nice. I think that is the big one right there. Oh, King Beast. Now what's the last one? All right, that's pretty good. So looking through all these, we didn't get anything above like maybe $2 or $3, which is, it's fine. I got really stoked when I looked this one up and I seen that it was going for like 300 bucks, but is from the wrong variant. It's crazy how the same card just with a different effect on it or from a different set will just be such a crazy difference in price. But all in all, this barely tickled my stomach for pulls, so you know what, we'll just go into a second box. Third one, just sit there and just let me wander if I got the Grell in there. I actually did just look up the card list and got a better understanding of what to be on the lookout for, so this is going to be a little bit more exciting this time around. We'll go for this one. We'll go 8 to the front. Ah, we messed it up. All right. Okay, we got the Divine Arsenal, a Zeus, the nice little mech art. Hopefully you guys can see this good. We got the Phantom Knights rank up. We got some more Kawaii cards coming our way. All right, more Kawaii cards. Okay, there's the standard Gaia, the Magical Knight. That's actually a card that I was stoked for just because of the OG cards. It's pretty cool. Okay. Getting into the holographics now. Magical Hound. There's 3 left. Let's see how this works out. We'll go for this one. We'll go this one. Okay, we got another mech card. And, oh, okay, this is actually a good one. Actually like a $13, $14 card. That is pretty hype. That's especially being that this is a $19 tin, that this card itself pretty much pays for itself. That is awesome. A lot better than last time. So I guess we'll go 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, yeah. So it's 7. There's some pretty funky art, but I dig it. That's pretty sweet. I actually really like this set. Ooh, that's nice. The art is just it's kind of ridiculous, especially for Yu-Gi-Oh! But I really like it. There's some more. Okay, getting into the holographics. Oh, okay, another Dogmatica. Wait, this is like a $5 card. It's like $4.50 or something, so that's sick. Already with those 2 prismatic cards that we pulled in the last 2 sets, already overpaid for what I paid for the tin, so that's sick. Okay, some pretty sweet dragons to finish that pack off. Seven to the front. Okay. Ooh, we're getting all the Gaia the Fierce Knights. It's pretty sweet. Got some more kawaii art coming our way. It's very anime. And for as many cards as we've gone through, we have not gotten that many repeats. It's pretty sweet. There must be a huge set. Okay, Armory Call. It's a nice holographic. Tri-Bridge. Ooh, Sky Striker Ace. Ooh, no way. Okay, that's sick. This is a sick card to get. True Light. I mean, don't get me wrong, these cards are sick too. We'll appreciate that some more too. This right here is a $4 card. This surprisingly is $2.88. So even like some of like just the normal holographics in here are a couple bucks too. So just with these 3 cards, we already made more than what the tin was worth, what we paid for it. So that is sick. Just these 2 cards alone, actually. This is just a cherry on top. So sick. So this tin was actually a banger. That's actually a good stopping point. I don't feel like I need to get into my last tin now. I feel like I can just let it sit there and I can wander what I got in there. But yeah, we got some sweet pulls. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like on the video and subscribe for some more unboxings. I got a lot of stuff to actually go through. Like I said earlier, I picked up almost everything from the Celebrations drop that just recently happened, and I'm really stoked on that. I actually got most of it for retail, so that's even better. Some of it I had to pay scalper, but you gotta take what you can get, you know? All right, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.